OCO everyone, it's Philip encroaching with iamCREATUREscience at iamCREATUREscience.com. iamCREATUREscience is now partnered with Chef Khai, cuisine extraordinaire of KT Foodies, to be the expert and guide you in the kitchen with meal preparation throughout your respective health journeys. Never let the unknown or lack of competency hinder you from healing your best self and discovering the innate creature in you again.
Hi everybody, this is Chef Khai from KT Foodies, and I am partnering with iamCREATUREscience to show you guys how to make his meal prep oatmeal and his loaded oats. So the first thing we're going to do, we have a pot, we have some spoons here, and we have measuring cups as well as our oats. So what we're going to do first, the ratio of having an oatmeal is just the same as rice. It's 1/2. So we're going to have 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of oats with 2 cups of water or milk. So in iamCREATUREscience meal prep, it requires 1.5 cups of cooked oats. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and do 1.5 oats. Go ahead and have it set up. Have it nice and level. That's 1 cup. Half a cup right here. So 1.5, that means 2.5 in water, right? So let's go ahead, water or milk, excuse me. Make sure you identify where the measuring is going to be at. And pour it in. Perfect. So now that we have our mise en place in place, let's go ahead and get it started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pour the milk into the pot. There we go. Then I'm going to get it started cooking. Put this on about medium heat. So I want to get these oats to this milk, to a nice boil. I'm going to let this go ahead and sit. And once you see the bubbles, it's going to be bubbles that's going to go ahead and start popping up in visual. That's how you know that the milk is boiling. And that's how you know you can add your oats. Alright, and that's a nice boil. See how the bubbles are like nice and bubbling up, ready to party? Alright, so now that our milk is boiling, we're going to put our lid onto the side and add our oats. I would get a spoon or a spatula and just mix it in a little bit. And you just wait for it to cook. Alright, our oats are getting nice and cooked. Alright, let's check our oatmeal. Nice. Nice little stir. You see how the oats have just floured and warmed up? That's how you know that we're ready to go ahead and plate. Alright, so now that the oats are finished, we're going to move it closer to our prep area to go ahead and plate. So for the meal prep, it requires 1.5 cooked oats. So the best thing possible to do is get your measuring cups. I have 1 cup and 1/2 cup, which equals to 1.5. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab my spoon and I'm going to go ahead and measure myself just so I know I have the correct amount to provide for my body for this meal. 1, there we go. And we got the 0.5 right here. Beautiful. All right, and that is your regular 1.5 cooked oats.